Okay, welcome to Algebra 1, Section 1.7, Signed Numbers. All your terms are in Quizlet. Be sure to review those, be familiar with them. We're going to jump right into some examples. So practice 1.7, number 2. It wants us to simplify each expression. So I've got a negative times a positive. That means my result right off the bat, I know that my result is going to be negative. Negative times a positive. 3 times 8 is 24. The next one, I've got a negative times a negative. My result is going to be positive. A negative times a negative is always positive. 8 times 5 is 40. Number 6, I've got negative 4 squared. This is really important to recognize. This exponent tells us how many times to multiply the base by itself. In this case, the base is 4. Not negative 4, but just 4. 4 squared is 16. I'm going to be left with negative 16. Okay, this is where I'm going to make a little note here. Negative 4 squared is not equal to negative 4 squared. Really important to note. Okay, on number 12, I've got a positive being divided by a negative. That means my result is going to be negative. 12 divided by 4 is 3. On number 20, it wants us to find the sums using the rules for algebraic addition. So I've got 5 plus a negative 3. Well, if I think about it, if I'm on a number line and I'm over at the 5 and I add a negative 3, that means I'm going to go to the left 3 spots. There's my 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so if I start right here and I add a negative 3 to it, that means I'm going to go to the left 1, 2, 3 spots and end right here, which means my answer is going to be 2. Okay. Negative 3 plus 9, same thing. If I started over 1, 2, 3 spots and I added 9 to it, I'd go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That would put me at positive 6. Okay. Number 32, it wants us to make an equal sign there. That's pretty bad. It wants us to write as algebraic addition and find the sums. So that would be negative 2 plus negative 6. If I'm at negative 2 and I add a negative 6 to it, means I'm going to the left. I'm going to be at negative 8. Okay, so this one I'm going to do 12 plus minus a negative is plus a positive. 12 plus 5 is 17. Okay, so work on that homework, and we'll jump to the section 1.8.